Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use BNB to pay fees on Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to make sure that you have successfully verified your Binance account first, and you need to make sure that you have BNB in your account. Now, if you haven't already created your verified account on Binance, then I will put my link down in the description box as well. So you can use that link and you can sign up and you can get up to $100 worth of trading fee rebate on Binance. Now, once you have successfully logged in into your account, if you tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see your BNB in your account. So you need to make sure that you hold BNB if you want to pay fees on Binance using BNB. So in order to enable this feature, you will have to come to the home page and then you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you are going to see this regular tab over here. So you need to tap on regular and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, it will show you the fees structure and how much discount you are going to get. So you need to tap on setup BNB discount button, and here you will be able to see use BNB to pay fees and you can enjoy 25% discount on it. So you need to turn this toggle button on right next to it, and this way you will be able to easily use BNB in order to pay fees on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.